Today we have a 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 Nova True Super Sport 118 car. Really nice and clean. It's original Aztec bronze car with black bucket seats out of the factory. Really nice clean car. Paint is in excellent shape. Down the sides, they're super slick. Super duper slick. It's got the billet special wheels. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes on it. We're going to take a look at the inside of the passenger interior here. Door panels are in good shape. Nice and clean. Interiors in really nice shape. Inside of the doors, nice and clean. Bottom of the door. Door shut nice and easy. Take a look around here. Got the original molding on the back. Really hard to find. Take a look inside the trunk here. They've relocated the battery inside the trunk. Now we're going to shut the trunk here and hear this car start up here. Paint shines good in the sun. Take a look at the bottom of this door panel here. All new Dakota digital dash. It's got tilt wheel. Seats are in excellent shape. Headliner is in good shape. Cut her off here. Take a look underneath the hood. Underneath the hood, we have a 327 L-79 numbers matching block. Really hard to find, rare. It's got the vintage heat and air. It's got a rack and pinion steering system. And it also has a total cost involved suspension underneath of it, as you'll see in the underneath video. But these are what those connectors are for. Going to the firewall. It's really nice and clean. Shut the hood here. I'm gonna look at the car one more time here, just how slick it is down the sides. Now we are gonna take this car for a test drive, but we would ask you just to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a bunch. You just give it a like and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated. Now we're gonna take this car on a ride.